video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually be earning 10,000 naira or more for yourself with just one single video. Yes, guys, you heard me right. 10,000 naira or more for yourself with just one single video. All you just need to do is to follow the step I'm going to be showing you in this video, because I'm going to be doing a screen record, so you need to follow it step by step so you don't get to miss any crucial part, because if you do, you might be making a mistake and not getting the end result as expected. So guys, I'm going to be going right in, but then let me tell you guys, this one video that you're actually going to be earning from, you are going to be creating that video. But come, before you go, I know you must be thinking, I don't know how to create a video, why should I do that? I don't think this one is for me. See, you don't have to create that video. All you just need to do is to have that idea in your head and just think about that video, visualize it. What kind of video is popping in your head? Do you want to make a video on, okay, do you want to make a video of kids playing, maybe kids learning, whatever, or do you want to make comedy videos? Do you want to make video about adults? Like whatever is popping into your head. You want to make educational videos, like whatever videos is just popping into your head. Number one, just calm down, think about the video you want to make. So after you are done thinking about the video you want to make, then follow the process I'm going to be showing you in this video. All you just need to do, type out that idea. You don't have to edit, oh, you don't have to edit, you don't have to think, you don't have to rack your brain. Just type it out. Okay, I want to make a video of kids learning something, maybe an educational video, or maybe a cooking tutorial video, whatever kind of video that is popping up right in your head right now. Just type it, follow the steps, type it in the particular website I'm going to be showing you in the screen record. So once you type it to that particular website, then it's going to generate a video for you, voila, and they are going to be doing the whole work for you. You don't have to do the work yourself. And once you're done generating that video, all you just need to do is to upload that video to YouTube, and then you'll be making your cool cash from there. So in case you're thinking, all these people asking me, okay, I want to start up a YouTube channel, but I don't have time, I don't have camera, I don't have this. See, this one is very, very simple. I think I'm talking too much. Let me just show you guys so you guys can actually see. But before I do that, in case you're just joining my channel for the first time, please do what to hit on the subscribe button, do what to like, and do what to leave a comment in the comment section, guys. Alright, let's dive in. I'm so excited on this one, guys. Let's get the money. So when you click on the link in the description, because I'm going to be leaving the link to this particular website in the description, click on the link. It's going to take you to this particular interface, and once you're here, look up at the top right corner. You're going to be seeing two black arrows. Just look top right corner, you see that two black arrows, click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to this particular page, and then if you look down, you will see log in and sign up. Because you are just coming here for the first time, you have to sign up. Yes, because don't just go ahead and start generating your videos without signing up, because you will not be getting free points if you just go ahead to generate your videos without signing up, because this site you need free points. Don't worry guys, as I make the video you understand. So for me, I am already registered, so I don't have to sign up. I'll just click on this login. So let me log in now and see. So let's just wait. It is going. Yeah, let's just wait for it. The network is going, and don't worry, it's going to come up very soon. I somehow have a very slow network, yeah, but at least it's moving. So let's just, sorry about the background noise. I don't know if you guys are hearing some background noise here. I'll try my best to be loud. So as you can see, it brought out this particular thing. It says get the Android app. Yeah, they're actually asking me to download their app because they have the app. So you guys can go ahead to download the app if you want, but for the purpose of this tutorial, because I don't want to waste time, so I'll just click on this X. I'm not downloading the app. So once you're here, so this is what it's going to look like. As you can see, it's telling you give me topic, premise, and detailed instruction in any language. So this particular website actually works in several languages, maybe English, French, Spanish, even Pidgin, like whatever language at all you actually want to use to make your video. So let us just give it a prompt. You guys can give it any prompt of your choice, but let me just think of something. Okay, generate a YouTube video. Generate a YouTube video for kids. Or let me just say for kids, kids nursery. What am I saying? Sorry guys. Generate a YouTube video for kids nursery rhymes. Don't mind my English, I hope they understand. Let me add additional details. I don't just want to say this. Teaching them French language. Make the video in English language, but teaching French. I don't know if you guys understand. So I want to get all this kids channel. Yeah, so they're going to be making the video in English language. So it's like someone that is already speaking English teaching French. So I don't know if you guys understand. So that's just basically it. And then I'm going to click on this arrow, this blue arrow here. So once you click on this blue arrow, it's creating. So let's just wait. Let's wait. So one of the issues here is that my network is quite slow, but then yeah, okay, as you can see, it is analyzing. You guys will just be patient, because as you all know, this is actually going to do the job for us. You don't have to be doing too many things. It's going to do the job for you guys. Like, this is actually very straightforward. As you can see, that's even giving it a title. It says Fun French Reading for Kids. Yeah, Fun French Reading for Kids. You can feel free to change the title if you are not fine with the title, and then it is preparing the video for us, guys. Let's wait. So let's see. Okay, if it's taking too long, I might have to pause the video and then continue it after everything has been generated. Okay, fine, I don't even need to pause the video, it has been generated. So as you can see, it has duration of 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 1 minute, depending on the one you want to do. Yeah, so if you click on 4 minutes, so let's say for example click on 4 minutes. Okay, let's just do 2 minutes so that it won't be too long. For 2 minutes, and it said audiences. What kind of audience do you want? So because this is a YouTube Kids channel, so it's going to be for young children. Yeah, young children. So the platform is going to be YouTube. Yeah, want YouTube video, not YouTube Shorts. You guys should be careful not to choose you unless you want to do YouTube Shorts. But for YouTube video, yeah. So as you can see, it says edit prompts. If you have anything, maybe you made a mistake in the prompt, or maybe you want to add something, you can edit prompts. But if not, click on continue. Yeah, so this is where we are going to wait, and they will generate the video for us, guys. Can you see? You don't even have to do too many things. You just need to give them the prompts, and they are going to be making the video for you. As you can see, they're actually adding the music. Yeah, whatever you want them to do, they can do it for you. And if you're not fine with it, you can always give them another prompt and see found music and voices. Yeah, planning the script, like everything is just going on and going on. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long. Let me pause it. Once the video is ready, I'm going to continue, guys. So guys, as you can see, I had to pause the video, but then I had to play it because now it has been fully generated. Remember, we chose 2 minutes as duration. As you can see, this is 2 minutes 31 seconds, which is quite a lot. Yeah, so they actually gave us some extra few seconds. So let's now play the video to see if it's something we like. Okay, let me play it.
Hey there, kids. Ready to sing, laugh, and learn something super cool? I'm going to teach you some fun French words with your favorite nursery rhymes. Don't worry if you've never spoken French. After this song, you'll know some words. Let's start with bonjour. That means hello in French. Say it with me. Bonjour, great job. Let's sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, but with French. Star is étoile in French. Say it, étoile. Perfect. Sing with me.
Okay, so guys, I'm going to be pausing this right here. Let me pause it because yeah, so let me just quickly say, because no, I don't want to waste most of our time. So that's how the video is actually going to play out. So if you are satisfied, if you like what you see, you can go ahead and download it. But if you're not satisfied, you can actually edit this part. If you look down here that says edit, you can go ahead to edit it. So guys, in case you want to be downloading this video without watermark, you are going to be paying for it, because this particular app or this particular website, if you don't want the watermark to show, you have to pay for it. But if you're not bothered, if you don't mind about the watermark, then you can actually download it for free, guys, and then you upload it to your YouTube channel, and that's it. Yeah, it's as easy as that. Or if you know how to like take it to CapCut and put your own logo to cover it, like if you know how to do it with the free version, because I know some people that actually do with the free version, then they put their own logo on that part and cover it up, and then they use the free version. If you know how to do it, it's fine. But if you don't know how to do it and you want to remove the watermark, then you have to pay a token for it, guys. Yeah, so okay, let me just click on this part here that says download so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So as you can see, it says types of watermark. You see, if you want the stock watermark, if you want to be using for free, you click on stock watermark here. That means you want to download for free. But if you're not download, maybe you don't want the watermark, maybe you don't want it to spoil your video, you want to put your own, click on no watermark. Then as you can see, in video AI branding, you know that while we were playing that video, if you look up, there's a part that wrote in video. You understand? Like everybody that is watching that video, we know you made that video through in video. If you don't want people to see it, if you want them to remove it, click on none. Yeah, but if you choose no watermark and none, it means you have to pay to use this website. But if you don't want to pay, if you don't mind, click on stock, max and normal. As you can see, when I click on stock, max and normal, look down here, it just told me to continue. They've allowed me to download. But if I click on no watermark and none, see, it's telling me to upgrade. Requires an upgrade to a paid plan. So if you're willing to pay, you click on upgrade. But for the purpose of this video, I'm not willing to pay. I'll just click on stock, watermarks and normal. And then, as you can see, the resolution is very perfect. 1080p. It is very perfect resolution. So I just click on continue. So yeah, it's going to download it for us, and our video is ready. As simple as that, guys. As simple as that. Waiting for your turn. You're on about preparing your media. It's already downloading. It is downloading, guys. So after this is done downloading, you can go ahead to publish it on your YouTube channel, and then you start making some cool cash for yourself. This is actually one way to which you can actually make videos on your YouTube channel, whereby you don't even have to be thinking of, oh, how do I do this? And guess what, guys? Whatever video this particular website actually generates for you, they are non-copyright, so you don't have to fear if you ever have copyright issues. They are non-copyrighted. You are free to use them. Yes, so that's one of the good side of it. And look at, in less than how many minutes we already made a video. There's some people who stress and think over and do and edit and do, but they actually make it from start to finish. If you want to make any kind of video, even if the video is for adults, you know, for the purpose of this video we use kids, but even if you want to make for adults, just follow the whole process and you are good to go. Yeah, as you can see, yeah. So as you can see, I'm going to be stopping here, ready to download. Video exported successfully. So you now scroll down and download your video. So that's that. So guys, I'm going to be stopping here. In case you're just I think I'm talking too fast, let me calm down. In case you're just finding my channel for the first time, please do well to hit on the subscribe button. In case if you have not subscribed, do well to hit on the like button, and do well to share with your family, friends, or people you think will actually benefit from this video. And let me know in the comment section if you have actually tried this particular site before, if you have used it to make video and it worked for you, or if you're actually going to be delving into it. If you're also having any challenge while registering or while using the app or website, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be there to assist you. All right, now it's your baby girl and with Nneka. See you again in the next video, guys. Oh, before I go, in case you have not joined my Telegram channel, check the comment section. I'm going to be leaving the link to the Telegram channel. Click on that Telegram channel. Every Friday, tomorrow is Friday, every Friday I do giveaways there. So click on that channel and wait for my giveaway by 12 p.m. every Fridays. See you there, guys. Bye.